Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a review on the Qidi X-Plus II today. This is not something I normally do. I'm not in the habit of making reviews. Not a huge fan of them. However, if I can help somebody with this thing, I would be glad to have you avoid all the aggravation that I've just spent the last couple days on. Before I purchased this, I watched review videos on it. Everyone had pretty good stuff to say about it. This is the X-Plus II, relatively new unit. It's fully enclosed. It's a high temp unit. That's what I was looking for. I wanted to print ABS. I wanted to print carbon fiber nylon. I have been 3D printing for the last 5 years now. I have 4 other 3D printers, all Creality units right now. I have the Ender 3, the Ender 3 Pro, and the CR6 SE, as well as this one. Super excited out of the box. It was packaged beautifully. It looks great. It has all the features that I wanted. However, the only thing I can get it to print successfully was a calibration cube. The software itself is a Creality ripoff. It's the same open source software, but it's got the Qidi twist on it. You can't do as much on it. It's a little scaled down version. I've tried using their software. I've also tried using Creality software, and I got, like I said, nothing more than a calibration cube out of it. Going through it tonight, I spent several hours with different prints that have been successful on other machines. Zero issues slicing it to the specs for this G code and still being unsuccessful. Now, what I realized tonight is that the bed is actually changing its Z dimension, Z offset automatically. You would go in, you'd level it absolutely perfectly. You'd go to print and the offset would be way off. It would be abundantly higher than it should be for the nozzle. So you wouldn't have bed adhesion. I'd have to go in here manually and change the Z offset as it ran. That's the only way I could get it to do any kind of print. And even as it went, it would change throughout, almost as if the bed was warped, but it's brand new. I mean, it has about 15 attempted hours of print on it. I've tried, like I said, even simple things, and it's just not working. I paid $680 for this unit, I believe. It has been just a miserable disappointment. I've had other printers in the past fail. I've made plenty of mistakes, but this printer, just out of the box, not working. I mean, it comes with everything that you'd want. I've successfully printed ABS, carbon fiber, nylon on my Ender CR6 and Ender 3. No huge issues. Those are challenging filaments to print, so no huge issues. Slowing it down, making sure it had some kind of enclosure and it was warm. But they were relatively successful. This, like I said, could not get to print at all, any kind of quality. So if you can avoid this printer at all costs, do it. I hope this video helps. I'll do a walk around later on in this clip. It looks great. It has all the things that you want. It just does not function. Maybe I have a bad unit. Maybe this particular unit has some software issue that I'm not being able to find. However, I cannot get this unit to do anything. So I would say avoid this unit at all costs. Don't go through the aggravation that I just put myself through for the last couple of days. I will be going back to my Ender 6 or my CR6 SE that I typically print on. I am going to try the Ender 5 Pro enclosed. I had the older unit. It was a decent unit. However, it wasn't fully enclosed. This was a couple years back, so the new one is fully enclosed. We're going to try that one. All the reviews that I see on these Qidi units are, like I said, are pretty good. So it was pretty saddening and disheartening to get a unit and have this much issues with it. So like I said, it could be a fluke, but I'm not going to take the chance and purchase a second unit because I just been fighting with this thing for days. So hope this helps you. I hope you guys take the time, the 5 minutes or so that I had this video in, just to go through it. Like I said, I don't want anybody to waste their time on this. it's been a bad experience. And like I said, I'm not a beginner. I've been doing this for 5 or so years. I've had many successful designs. I do all my own designs on CAD. I've made prints for years, like I said, and no issues. However, this unit is very challenging to try to get to go. So I'm going to do a little walk around then. Share, subscribe. I just hope this helps you guys. Take it easy.